Hello, hello, my friends. Oh, I pulled a groin muscle while I was sleeping last night. I don't know how I did it, but man, does it hurt. This is going to be a very short video today. I just thought I want to make the envelope for Roseanne for her contribution that we opened up in yesterday's video, and I just thought I'm going to turn the camera on. We're not going to get all of it because I need to go to the machine, but we're going to get most of it. So that's what we are doing today. I have no idea how I hurt myself. My husband just got home. He's been gone 4 hours helping a friend install a water softener, and that was, you get it all together, you solder it all, you turn it on, and then it leaks. Yeah, it was one of those. So I'm kind of having issues. I took some medicine. Hopefully that's going to help me. So I think pretty sure this is Stamperia paper, and what I did is I cut a piece out. This is a 12 by 8, and I scored it at 4.5 and then at 2.5. So this is how I made many of the envelopes that are coming to you. And then I gathered some lace from my new shipment of Angel Dream Crafts Kim, and I just kind of started laying it out and thought, let's do this. Oh, these are getting dull. I cut washi tape with them this morning, but you wouldn't think that would be a problem. I don't want a lot of thickness under here because this then isn't going to want to close, but I don't know if I want that like that. So typically what I would do is take this to the machine, but we're not going to do that because I don't want to get up and have you all sitting there waiting for me, and I don't want that because it isn't going to show. So I think what I am going to do is just have it be like this. So we're going to put a little bit of glue on here so that when I do take it to the machine, we then will stitch it, but it will be in place. So I hope everybody's doing all right. I hope you're doing better than I am. I tell you, I have no idea what I did in my sleep last night, but I woke up and I was like, oh my gosh, Charlotte, you pulled something. So luckily I had some Naprosyn, and that's what I took, is a couple Naprosyn, and it's a little bit better, but it's not 100%, and you should see me coming up my stairs. It's really sad. I've got 13 stairs to come up. Oh, it's awful when you get older, but you know, I mean, anybody can pull a muscle. And it's right in the groin thigh area, so you know you're using that for everything. I'm thinking because, let me just see, I really hate to cover up, or you know, when you put a piece of lace there, you know what, I might have something that we can use, and I don't have to go get it. Let me see if I can get up, guys. Sorry about that. Ow, ow, ow. But I've got some lace right here on this spool. And there went something on the floor, of course. Okay, I'm wondering maybe this right here is lace from Hobby Lobby. So, I mean, I know I can always get more lace from Hobby Lobby. So let's cut this. I'm not a fan of that. So I don't want to have to get up, that's for sure. It hurts to get up. So I hope I'm better tomorrow because I go tomorrow and get my hair done. So, yep. Okay, that's the back side, I believe. There's the right side. So if we did this, that works. So that's what we're gonna do. So I will stitch that down. We'll just put a little glue here to keep this in place. And as you can see, this is not closed. And I think what I'm gonna do is try to make it so that I have to cut a little bit off of each heart at the end. I like that better than cutting one heart in half. I just think it looks better. And we'll stitch this, and then we'll stitch right down there, and then I will trim these sides off. So that's going to be the body of this envelope. The sad thing about doing this is you can't see the gorgeous paper, but you can see it on the back. And because the inside's so pretty, I'm not going to cover it up with anything. So then we've got the top. It'd be gorgeous the way it is, but no, let's use some of this beautiful lace from Kim's shop that has the dangles. And we can put it right there like that. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. That's so pretty. Okay. So we're going to cut this, hopefully where we can keep a dangle right between dangles, which is going to be right in here, like that. And I'm going to do the same thing. I will stitch along the top and along the bottom edge. So I just need glue to kind of keep this in place. Make sure I get the right side. One is more iridescent than the other. And we're going to put this right down on the edge of the envelope like that. Kind of look at it, make sure that it is straight. And then I'm thinking, if I don't stitch this first, how am I going to do the decor at the top? That will definitely be in the way. So I was thinking of, I don't like that though. I don't like that. The color is not right. And I was thinking about this, but I don't like that either. So I could technically do that, but I think I'm gonna do this. So let's see if we can create some kind of a little snippet with laces that I've got. Would this work? Ooh, that might be pretty, some of that. You know, as you know, I'm not prepared. I'm trying not to move. My leg hurts. So maybe some of this, some of this. Let's see what we've got to make a snippet from. Ooh, some of this. No. There is lavender in this, but isn't it funny? That doesn't look good, but this does. It's just weird. Put this here because maybe we'll use one, but I like the idea of maybe a little bit of this. You know, when you cut this, you're gonna have sequins that fall. That's just part of it. There's nothing you can do about that because you're cutting into sequins literally. So that's just gonna happen. Ooh, was gonna say that might be too long. Hopefully I'm on camera, but I think I like that. Then I had this piece here. thought we might layer this. Or like that. No. I think like this. With that. Then maybe a piece underneath it. And this might be pretty. Or a piece on top. That's really pretty. Or do we want a flower? No, don't want that. It's amazing how you look at something and right away you know, no, that's not gonna work. So how about, let's cut this guy and see. Do I want the flower or do I want, I think this is the right side. And yes, I am kind of hiding the sequins, aren't I? We raise that a little bit. And then what about if we did like 2 flowers? We could just do 1, maybe 1. This is what I'm always saying. Hey, you can cut these into individual flowers. And look at how pretty that is. It's really pretty. And then let me see if I want a ribbon bow out of this. Sorry, silk. Do we want some kind of a something something out of this? The more frayed it is, the more I like it. I think so. So do we need to stitch this? I think we could glue that on. And if we're gonna put a bow, how are we gonna do that? That's a very good question. How are we gonna do this? No, I don't think I want to cover the bow up. I don't think I like that. So we're gonna need a needle and thread. All right, we need a needle and thread. So I have a needle with no thread, of course. And I don't have thread here. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna get a bigger needle. We're gonna get this great big honkin' needle and we're going to put some, let's see, that really is the wrong color. Oh, wait a minute, I've got some white something here. There's some thread. All right, let's switch it out. Guys, everything's all packed up. Everything was supposed to go to the post office today, but because my husband just got home and it's the afternoon, he's had nothing to eat. He's in the shower right now. And because of the problem that I'm having with my pulled muscle, it'll all go out in the mail tomorrow. I really apologize for that, but it's a good thing too, because then we can send Roseanne's out in the mail tomorrow too, and it will all be gone. And hopefully you'll get it before the weekend. How nice would that be? Although don't hold your breath, because you know how that goes. All right, that's not working so well. Let's see. I can see the eye. All right, we're gonna have to go with the bigger needle. This doesn't like that. So hopefully I can get this through here. Yep. Okay. And because this is thicker thread, I don't know where I got that thread. We're gonna go ahead and put a knot in this. If I sound tired, I think it's the pain. Yes, the pain. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through, because I'm gonna stitch it. I won't be finishing it on camera, and I will walk you through what I'm going to do. If I can get the needle through here. That doesn't seem to be happening. Why will it not go through? Sometimes when you deal, there it is. Okay, well it should. Doesn't like the sari silk. I don't want to break it, but it does not like the sari silk. I might have to. Let's just stitch this. Look at this. We'll go to one end and then we'll come back around and go to the other end and figure out how we are. It's just I'm just using a back stitch. Figure out how we're going to get the sari silk on there. I hate to glue. When I work with lace, I like to use as little glue as absolutely possible. So let's see. It's supposed to heat up again this weekend, which is so sad. I won't be going in the pool today because I don't think I can get down the stairs to get into the pool. All right, let's put this to the back and try one more time to see if we can get the needle through this sari silk. It really, nope, it won't go. Okay, so what I'm going to do is knot this off. I'm not too worried about it because it's going to have glue on it. I don't want to put the machine through the sequins. So we'll have glue on this. And then I'm going to have to glue this on. And then I will put this little flower over it like that. That's how it's going to look. So this envelope's going to look like that. Isn't that so pretty? What do y'all think about that? So, okay. For those of you that might want to create these the way that I have done it, I'm going to take you through my next steps, and that's on the machine. So what I will do first is take this bottom piece and I will stitch across here. I will lift this up and I will stitch across here, and then I'll take the top and I'll stitch across here and down here. And then I will fold this up and then I will stitch down the sides. I will not stitch the bottom, just down the sides. And then I like to back stitch here so that it's secure. And then I will come over here. We will attach this. Well, Charlotte, you want to attach the whole thing. So we'll attach this, and I might go ahead, it doesn't need it, but I might go ahead and tie this around with a bow. I think I might. So guys, it's short, it's sweet, but it's something. I just wanted to hang out with you for a few minutes, and I'm kind of sitting here thinking, oh, I've got to get up to turn the camera off and go to the machine. Oh my goodness. Well, let's just do it. If it hurts, it hurts. What are you going to do? And it's like, ow, 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 ow. But once you're up, you're good to go. So guys, big hugs to everybody. Thank you, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye.